In a world of constant growth and change, fire safety cannot be left to chance. King Fire Group delivers proven systems and smart solutions that safeguard lives, property and assets. Established in Singapore, King Fire Group provides end-to-end fire protection solutions, from consultation and design to installation, commissioning, and maintenance. Our expertise spans across advanced fire alarms, sprinklers, gas suppression, water mist systems, and regulatory submissions, ensuring every project meets the highest standards. At King Fire, we bring 3 key strengths to every project. First, we manage the entire process, from consultation and system design to installation and after-sales service. Second, we ensure full compliance with international and local regulations, giving clients confidence that every project is inspection-ready. Third, we offer Sniper, our all-in-one unified platform for fire, security, and BMS. At King Fire, our portfolio covers the full spectrum of fire protection. We provide fire alarm and detection systems for early warnings, gas detection and suppression systems for sensitive environments, and kitchen fire suppression for high-risk areas. Our expertise includes smart facilities technology, EVC systems, and EV fire safety solutions. We also supply extinguishers, hose reels, and fire-rated components that form the foundation of every safety plan. Beyond products, we deliver comprehensive services, from ongoing servicing and maintenance, to fire certificate inspections and regulatory submissions to local authorities. Our certified fire safety managers provide continuous support, ensuring compliance and long-term safety for every facility. Our commitment to excellence is recognized through ISO 45001 certification, aligned with local standards. These achievements reinforce our reputation as a trusted provider of compliant and reliable fire protection systems. Our clientele spans government agencies, developers, multinational corporations, and SMEs, all trusting King Fire to safeguard lives and their valuable assets. By transferring knowledge, empowering local teams, and sustaining ongoing support, we work hand in hand with our partners to raise safety standards across ASEAN. Join us as we create a safer tomorrow. King Fire, where we protect lives and secure futures.